Can I help you? Can I help you? Yes, please. Yes, please. Do you have a car? Do you have a car? No, I don't. No, I don't. Is this your bag? Is this your bag? Yes, it's mine. Yes, it's mine. Whose book is this? Whose book is this? It's my friend's book. It's my friend's book. What's your favorite game? What's your favorite game? My favorite game is cricket. My favorite game is cricket. How do you feel now? How do you feel now? I feel better now. I feel better now. Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? Yes, I am coming. Yes, I am coming. What did you buy? What did you buy? I bought some fruits. I bought some fruits. Do you have any problem? Do you have any problem? No, everything is fine. No, everything is fine. Where do you work? Where do you work? I work in a private company. I work in a private company. How is your family? How is your family? They are all fine. They are all fine. What's your dream job? What's your dream job? I want to be a teacher. I want to be a teacher. How is the food? How is the food? It's delicious. It's delicious. Do you go to the gym? Do you go to the gym? Yes, twice a week. Yes, twice a week. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? I am waiting for my friend. I am waiting for my friend. What's going on? What's going on? Nothing much. Nothing much. Are you feeling sleepy? Are you feeling sleepy? Yes, a bit. Yes, a bit. What makes you happy? What makes you happy? Spending time with family. Spending time with family. Are you afraid of dogs? Are you afraid of dogs? No, I like dogs. No, I like dogs. Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. What's your favorite place? What's your favorite place? My favorite place is the beach. My favorite place is the beach. Are you busy today? Are you busy today? Yes, I have a lot of work. Yes, I have a lot of work. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? I like reading and traveling. I like reading and traveling. Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework? Yes, I finished it. Yes, I finished it. Are you going out today? Are you going out today? No, I will stay at home. No, I will stay at home. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? I have a headache. I have a headache. Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Can you swim? Can you swim? Yes, I can swim a little. Yes, I can swim a little. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? My birthday is in May. My birthday is in May. How do you spend your holidays? How do you spend your holidays? I spend them with my family. I spend them with my family. Do you go for a walk every day? Do you go for a walk every day? Yes, every morning. Yes, every morning.